Hey there, this is another video with RC Journeys. Just giving you an update on our Frankenstein Flyhal F18. We got the receiver mounted on the front, of course, because it's a gyro receiver, so it has to go on the front. We got our motor mounted, we got our Mod 1 gears mounted, we got our ESC mounted. It's a cheapo ESC. It's just for testing, that's all, Test it out on 2S, 3S and see what happens. But she's running smooth, she's nice and smooth. I got a little area here for the battery. It's going to go right there with some Velcro. But we just have to figure out what we're going to do for a body, because the original body don't fit on here anymore. So, well, I wonder if that's going to be stable enough. I don't know. Anyway, I might have to order a body for it, speedrun body, and see if I can get it mounted on there somehow. But I'm not sure if I should do a 1/12 scale, or no, wait, yeah, they got 1/12 scale or 1/10 scale. So if you guys can give me any ideas, let me know in the comments below. I would really appreciate it. Would help me out. I don't have to spend money I shouldn't. But let me know. I know some of you guys have the same car, but different, manufacturer or whatever. Problem is with this car is the drive shaft's different. So it doesn't come with a drive shaft with the gear, the spur gear on it. So I had to do this. And I connected the Mod 1 in there, and it's pretty solid. I'm just scared about busting the diffs, but we'll go slow first and see what happens. So thanks guys for watching. Let me know. Got the contact wheels on there, phones ready to go, and we're gonna see how this baby flies. So like I said, if you guys got any ideas about the body, speedrun body, let me know. Thanks. This has been another video with RC Journeys, where every day with an RC is a journey. Thanks guys. Later.